Beware of sinkholes, depressions in the ground that can suddenly engulf cars. These holes form due to collapses in the surface layer, caused by factors like underground mineshaft failures, sewage problems, or water erosion. Our planet holds incredible wonders. Have you witnessed a beach glowing in bright blue? This phenomenon is caused by bioluminescent algae. Venice Beach in California, closed during lockdown, reopened on May 7, 2020. A YouTuber, Lewis Cole, captured the stunning sight, comparing it to scenes from the movie Avatar. The mesmerizing glow on the beach isn't due to radioactive water. It's caused by bioluminescent algae, emitting a bright bluish-green light when disturbed. But beware, these algae can be toxic to fish and humans, and their presence can indicate pollution or environmental changes. Don't worry, the term fly geyser doesn't refer to swarms of FLIs. Instead, it's a spectacular natural phenomenon where mineral-rich water creates mesmerizing, colorful formations over time. Indeed, the Fly Geyser and its neighboring geysers in Nevada are intriguing sites formed through a combination of human activity and natural processes. Originally shaped by drilling for geothermal energy, these geysers have become unique, otherworldly formations adorned with colorful minerals over time. The geysers have even found a connection to the famous Burning Man event, as the property was acquired and occasionally open for public viewing. When lightning hits a tree, its conductive sap heats up, creating internal pressure. This can result in the tree erupting or catching fire from the inside, even if there's no external damage. Share your thoughts in the comments if you have an explanation for this phenomenon. Witness this unbelievable hailstorm captured in Minnesota, a reminder that nature's surprises can truly be astonishing. Excuse me, but oh my god, just look at these incredible greens. It's truly breathtaking. In the Denmark Strait, located between Greenland and Iceland, glacier enthusiasts often flock to witness the icy wonders. During one such tour, a group got more than they bargained for as they observed a crumbling iceberg on the open water. Piece by piece, chunks of ice fell into the ocean, and before their eyes, the entire iceberg disappeared, leaving them amazed at the swift transformation. As chunks of ice fall off the iceberg, it loses stability. A significant sheet sliding from the front causes the iceberg to flip before sinking, resembling the Titanic sinking. People who build vehicles to chase tornadoes are often considered daring, but it's important to remember that regular vehicles aren't suitable for tornado encounters. In such situations, leaving your vehicle for a safer area is crucial. Cody Coombs found himself in a challenging situation when a powerful tornado suddenly approached him. Trapped in his work van, he had no choice but to wait for the tornado to pass. His safety was likely due in part to the van's weight, which provided more stability. However, the incident underscores the unpredictability and danger of tornadoes, emphasizing the importance of seeking shelter when tornadoes are nearby. A moose running along shallow water creates an illusion of running on the water's surface due to its large size and height, making for a remarkable and unique sight. One compelling reason to visit Patagonia is its breathtaking landscapes and natural beauty. Millions of cannibalistic Mormon crickets have infested Nevada, and this footage shows them eating the dead ones in a remarkable display of nature's survival instincts. Tumbleweeds roll onto the streets, carried by dust devils. These rolling masses of dry vegetation can obstruct drivers' vision and get stuck in car grills during dust devil events.